Hey team, it's Daniel again with the Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So this has been a road to the most frustrating video that I have ever made. And the reason it's frustrating isn't because of the video, it's because of what has actually been going on with my setup. So in my last video I showed y'all I put out there that hey, I just need to clean this thing because I've been having some problems with it not actually firing whenever I squeeze the trigger. And so you can see in the background I got playing here this whole video showing exactly me going through what I thought was going to be the problem and how I had screwed up with not adjusting the gas system whenever I made some changes, and that because I thought that was it. Well, it turns out that I was completely wrong. And so in this video, I actually realized that I have a dead trigger no matter if I have ammo in it, no ammo, mag in it, no mag, blah, 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 blah. It's just a dead trigger. And that didn't make any sense to me at all. And so I took it back inside the house and I disassembled it, looked down in the trigger group. I really couldn't see much of anything causing a problem. But obviously you can tell this is not a standard AR-15. You can't just take the trigger out of it. So I was figuring there has got to be something lodged inside of there. So I just took this thing and I flipped it over and I started just slamming it on my workbench because I know there's got to be something stuck inside that trigger group. Lo and behold, out comes this baked hard chunk of mud. It's a happy and a sad moment. It's happy because I realize it's not my gear. I realize it is my fault. Because, guys, look at all these muddy pictures that we've got. I mean, if you're going to be out hog hunting, it just happens that you're going to get into a whole bunch of mud at different points, especially if you're really going in there after them. There's actually been a couple times I have fallen straight down into a mud hole. I took the rifle home and cleaned it, but obviously still had some mud in there that later caused me a problem. So guys, the lesson for this one is when I say clean your rifle, boy, you really gotta get in there. And the deeper the dirty it is, the deeper the clean that you gotta put on it.
I'm ready. I don't want to shoot from here, but let's get ready. This one to the left. Start shooting.
I'm fixing to be killing a lot more because my rifle isn't dirty. It's a lot more awesome. And we're going to be awesome at it. Bye.